Dubplate Wars breaking news. Hot off the press. Brace yourselves, music lovers, for an electrifying showdown that will leave you on the edge of your seats. Get ready for the return of Dubplate Wars, the ultimate music battle, coming to you live and direct this Sunday at 8 p.m. GMT on YouTube. Last week's battle was already off the charts, but this week's lineup will take it to the next level. We have narrowed it down to the top 4 contenders, and we are throwing in a wildcard judge to spice things up even more. This is not a battle you want to miss. We want to see all our contestants bring their A game, but this time we are shaking things up while we encourage everyone to bring their friends and family to vote. We are not settling for a popularity contest. We've got a few tricks up our sleeve to keep things fair and square. What will it be, you ask? Well, you will have to tune in to find out. Get ready to witness the greatest musical battle in history, only on Dubplate Wars.